Quiz time. All right, where do you guys want to start?
Son of a bitch.
Nope.
There was a ceremony, people wore suits, nice words were exchanged, then we went to a luncheon.
Concussions are no laughing matter. You know what is?
I have like 0 point no idea. Well, dare I say.
Oh, and he dares. Sadly.
I mean, damn. Damn right. I love being a Pats fan. By the way, that whole sandals and socks look thing you got going there, it's a pretty cool look, dude.
Seems like a perfect time for...
All right.
As far as the movies go, with what they did...
Did you just try to mic drop on a never-ending story reference?
Goddamn right, Atreyu.
Rocket football.
A 2-run home run to Marwin Gonzalez?
I know, I fucking suck.
Pats by 15 at the half. Attaboy, Ricky. Come on, D. Come on, Steven. Let's go, Modern Family. Make the kick. Wait, hold on. I have a call coming through. Hello?
Once they kick off, seriously.
And secondly, therefore everyone else can suck it. Yeah, suck it.
Winter is coming.
The name's wrong. All aboard! Exactly. Viva TFB! And nobody's better than me at... We'd seen this before. Bad defense, bad coaching. Right. Remember. Which is why I'd like to say... Oh my God. And now I'm left in Butthole City for the rest of the winter. I'm just here so I won't get fined.